everyone, how is it going? Today I'm at one of my friend's place to do a garden bed for them. So they made this garden bed recently and they want to put succulents in there. So they commissioned me to do the garden for them. So let's have a look. So all the work is done for me already, like most of the work is done for me already. So as you can see, they made this beautiful garden bed and the soil is almost full. I might put some more soil, just fill it up a little bit more. So let's have a look what we have here. So I can use some of their plants, and then I got some from my collection, and we bought some recently as well. So this is all from me. It's my Mangawa Pineapple Express, and this is another one. I can't remember what the name is. I think it is Purple Eater or something like that. That's Grapta Petalum Purple Delight. I got some cacti and some aloe and some echeverias. That's Echeveria Big Red. That's Euphorbia melii, and this is Euphorbia for these three. And this is Australian hybrids. I haven't had this before, so let's see how this goes. I quite like the leaf and the foliage, and they are flowering as well. And it's quite frost hardy, and see how it grows. And this is from them, that's an Ionia, so I think I'll just use this as it is. It's beautiful. And some Sansevieria and some aloe. And there are some Ionium that I can work with, and then there are some other plants that I can work with. So I just have to go and pick it up as I need it. So let's get started.
Their pet dog Coco was so interested to watch what I was doing. As you know, some plants are toxic to dogs, but he's trained not to go near plants, so I don't have to worry about him chewing on them and getting sick.
Great catch.
I had a nice time playing with him too, and he kept me company the whole time I was doing the installation. Thank you, my friend, for giving me a hand. It was a great teamwork.
Hi guys, the work is done. It looks beautiful. Have a look. So they have put solar lights for the ambience as well, so the night time it will be beautiful. So I'm so glad that they have this space to enjoy for a long time. So I'll show you what I have done. So the mangawe and aloe and some aquarius in front of the aloe. I put all the euphorbia together, sansevieria and aloe in front of a log we found in the yard. So that's kalankoi and a small arrangement. Big red, I think that will grow big and beautiful again. And I got this donkey's tail on a brick, trailing down. So I got a cactus colony, little cactus colony here. I think the small ones at the front are kind of lost in the middle of the pebbles, but we'll see. So Fasula, Strachios and a small tapestry in front, and there is David Cummings and Raptopitulum, Purple Delight, Sadeveria Marcus, and the Agave and the Melii, Sansevieria, and this looks beautiful. The Ionium and the trailing, what's this? First, I think I got a brain fart, and whatever this is, I can't remember. Anyway, so we reuse the rocks or the pebbles, as you can see. I think that's fine, and I found some small rocks or rubble in the yard as well, so we used all that. So on the whole, it looks beautiful. And then we got another project, that's these planter boxes. There are 4 of them on the other side of the yard that needs to be done as well. So I might come back maybe next weekend or whenever I'm free to do those up. So that's it guys. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye.